I promised I would take a video of reinstalling the wedge on the Firewood processor. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. So if you're watching, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow, and my goal is 1,000 subscribers, at least for starters, and that really helps. Anyway, here we go. So this is the first time I've done this. That is the first time I've reinstalled. Alright, so there's the top plate. Nothing much to it. It's just that's just how we hold everything together. I'll put that out of the way. Okay. Now I'm going to crawl in here. It off. I actually picked it up with the tractor and did that, figuring, because I didn't really know how heavy it was. So I'm just going to carefully set this right down on top here. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's manageable. Now if that was an 8-way wedge, I don't think I'd be able to do that. Okay, well that was fairly simple. So let's put the plate back on now. And I do believe the plate can be next. Just make sure I put it in the right direction. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Just want to be sure. Anti-seize. That's one of those things, and anybody who's done any mechanical work can tell you, if you have anti-seize anywhere near you, you're going to get it on yourself. I could have a jar of that stuff on the other side of the room and I would get it on myself. I don't even know how that's possible, but it is. Now we need to put the hydraulics back in. Put that there. Put that there. And now I have to crawl under the machine. So as I said the other day when I took this off, I had to lay the hydraulics underneath. Otherwise, they would have gotten damaged. That is, the hydraulics. So it's under there, and there's a big pile of debris there now. So I'm going to move my step stool here. And then rake some debris out. And I'll tell you, having a potato rake is invaluable for doing this. So if you have a firewood processor and you need to clear all this debris, this is the thing to have. It just makes doing this so much easier. And of course I still have to come in here with a fork or shovel or something and get rid of all this stuff. But clearing it, getting it out from underneath, this is huge. This works so well. It helps you sort through, collect all your kindling out of here, and it's just a really handy tool to have. Frozen wet cardboard is just beautiful to lay on, so we'll do that. Trying to not drop it on my face. Okay, that was something I didn't think about. All right, brilliant. So stick it up in there. Stick there. Okay, so that was my my second breakfast of sawdust. When I went to put the hydraulic cylinder back up in there, all the sawdust was down in that protective guard, and when I turned it over, I dumped it right on my face. So that was not too smart or tasty. Anyway, now we have the bottom pin. Pull that out. So this is just a simple matter of lining this up. This is the protective guard I was talking about. That protects the hydraulic lines. And yeah, that was full of sawdust, which doesn't really taste all that great. All right, and that's the bottom pin. Not much to it. Pretty simple. So we'll put the cotter pin back in. And if I can do this without dropping the cotter pin, I'll be thankful, because if I drop this, I might not find it. Let me take my glove off. So, the other day I watched a video from Ohio Woodburner. Great guy. Check out his channel. He offers a lot of great advice, and he's very entertaining and just a good fun channel to watch. So he was talking about gloves, and you know, I've been doing firewood for quite a long time now, and I've been through so many pairs of gloves, it's not even funny. But at one point I came across these gloves that you see here, and I'll have to look it up to see where I bought these, but it's been a while. But these things are just like me, they're old and tired. But I bought a 12-pack for, I don't even know how much. It was pretty cheap. It was like a 12-pack for 12 bucks or something. I just remember it was dirt cheap. But they have the long gauntlet on them, which I like. It kind of protects your arm a little more. And but as you can see, they're starting to wear out. Now, I have had this pair of gloves I have been using these all season, well, since about, maybe June of this year, but I had been using them for a year before that, and they're absolutely worn out. Soft, but worn out. Anyway, so they're pretty good, and I want to try his suggestion of the cheap gloves that he bought. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Okay. So here's my dilemma. As you can see, the hydraulic cylinder needs to be extended a little bit because I can't extend it. It's just not. Maybe if I can reach, the control here, I can extend it. There we go. Hey, what do you know? Ha. It does. Clever. Very clever. Now, did I do it enough? Nope. Needs a little more. There we go. Okay. Alright, so there's the answer to that. So when you're reinstalling the top pin, you reach over and pull on the hydraulic lever while you're lifting the piston, or the ram rather, and it'll just pull right up. This is a pretty small hydraulic cylinder, so it's not too hard to move. But if you don't pull the lever, it's not going anywhere. It is locked in place. Now, this is a non-critical application. It just goes up and down periodically. I'm reusing the cotter pin because, like I said, it's not critical. If the cotter pin broke or fell out, it wouldn't be a disaster. So that's it. Cotter pin's back in, wedge is on, gloves are toast. They've got they still got anti-seize on them now. So I think I'm going to chuck these finally and grab another pair out of the shop. See right here, this guard pretty much covers the whole cylinder, and the hydraulic hoses are inside here. Okay. Now they were smart enough to put cuts in this guard so you can get your wrench in there and get the hydraulic lines off if you have to. So far, haven't had to do that, which is good. So that's it. That's reinstalling the wedge. Really simple. Removing it was just as easy, except what I did was I used a sling and the tractor to lift it off of there, because I wasn't sure how heavy it was going to be. And really, while it's heavy, it's not so heavy that I can't lift it myself. So it was easier for me to just pick it up with the tractor bucket and put it right in here where I'm standing. That is right here, standing right here at the end of the conveyor. And then I just had it up at like chest height, so I could just lift it off and set it right down on top of the post. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of things you want to see with the Cord King Firewood processor, please make comments. That helps me grow my channel. It helps me know that I'm doing a good job and that you care, and I really appreciate it. So everyone have a great day. Well, I did it. I went down to my storage shed and I pulled out another pair of brand new leather gloves. I think I want to write the date on these, just out of curiosity, to see how long they last. They really don't seem to be anything special other than the there's a double layer of leather on the palm, thumb, and forefinger of each glove, and I think that really helps extend their life. So we'll see. Brand new gloves. I guess I gotta go get them dirty.